I've recently started multiple new projects at Puma, and I've been meaning to solve a lot of new complex problems. And I wanted to be in attendance in the same room as several business leaders who are super passionate about pricing. So this is a chance for me to meet a lot of friendly, open-minded people, the speakers as well as the attendees. And what would have taken me maybe 3 or 4 weeks of learning online, I get that within a day. So on my flight back, I'm going to be thinking about all the problems that I can now solve using these insights.
I want to learn from other participants and their stories. How do they approach pricing these days? Because business models changing, economy is changing, and everything is evolving. There are new trends, AI, pricing, and if you don't adapt, you don't learn, you are left behind. So I'm looking forward to basically learn new things and learn new trends to see what's possible these days in pricing.